In this video, I'll show you how to check your screen time on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're wondering how much time you spend on your computer, then there's two different methods we can use to find this out. So the first method is just heading over to your Start menu and searching for Settings. Click on the Settings window. From the left-hand navigation, click on System. Scroll down to Power and Battery. Scroll down again to the Battery section and click on Battery Usage. Now, underneath battery levels, here is where you'll find all of the information about your screen time. So you can see at the moment, my screen's been on for 18 hours and 22 minutes in the last 24 hours. Now, you can also adjust this graph to the last 7 days if you want a little bit more information about your screen time. And if you scroll down to the app section here, you'll also see a detailed information about which app you're using the most and how much screen time you're using for each particular app. So this is the first method that you can use to figure out your screen time. Unfortunately, this only works if you're using a laptop. If you're using a desktop computer, then what you need to do is head over to your desktop, right-click down in the taskbar at the bottom and select Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab from the left-hand side, and down at the bottom, you'll have this section for uptime. My computer is currently been on for 1 hour and 59 minutes. So you don't get as much information if you're on a desktop for your screen time without installing third-party applications, but you can kind of get an idea of your screen time just by using this performance section here. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.